Hi guys, today we have a very interesting algebra problem set. You will see these questions in each and every exams in competitive exams. The questions look very difficult, but these questions are very easy when you solve these questions. If you know the small tricks, you can you know uh, you can avoid wasting a lot of time in the competitive exam. So what we'll do first, we'll try to understand the concept here, okay, and then we will learn about the trick at the end of this video. So those who just want to see the trick, they can jump into the last part of this video. Those who want to see the concept, because we tend to forget the tricks during the exam, so if you don't remember the trick, you need to also understand the concept of solving the each problem. So we will first explain the concept, and then we'll talk about the trick to solve these questions. So let's jump into the first question that we have. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So this question is very simple. What we need to do here, we just need to square both the sides, okay, because we need to get this x square. So x square here, and also square this side. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We all know this, right? So just apply this formula. A is x, b is 1 by x square. So you'll get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into a into b, okay, and then you'll get 25. Further solve this, x and x goes here, you'll get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, and then we have 25 this side. Bring this to this side, right hand side, you'll get x square plus 1 by x square, and then 25 minus 2. The final answer you get 23. So remember this, x square plus 1 by x square, the final value that you have get received, this is 23. Now move on to the next question that we have, okay. So next question we have, if x plus 1 by x is 5, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will put power 3 both the sides, okay, and we all know this formula, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and then in bracket a plus b, right? Then we'll apply this formula here. So we'll get x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3a, which is x, and then b, which is 1 by x, and in bracket x plus 1 by x is equal to, what is the cube root of 5? Cube of 5 is 125. Okay, now tell me, what is the value of x plus 1 by x, which is 5. So we'll put this value here, okay. So further we will solve this equation, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus x and x goes here, so 3, and in bracket we'll put 5, and on right hand side we have 125. Further solve this, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus this 15, we'll bring this 15 on the right hand side, so is equal to 125 minus 15, which is 110. So what is the value that we have received? X cube divided plus 1 by x cube, the value that we have received is 110. Remember this also, okay. Now let's move on to the last part that we have. So what is saying? X plus 1 by x is 5. Then we need to find the value of x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5. Okay, now tell me, what is x to the power 5? X to the power is nothing but x square into x cube, right? Okay, and what is the value that we have received? X square plus 1 by x square, we have received 23. And what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? This is 110. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Okay, so now multiply these two equations. X square plus 1 by x square and then multiply by x cube plus 1 by x cube. Multiply right hand side also. 223 multiply by 110. Okay, now further solve this equation. Multiply this x square with this entire uh, equation. Okay, so we'll get x to the power 5 plus x square and then x cube. Now multiply this with this equation, so we'll get x cube then x square and then we'll get 1 by x to the power 5, and this side simply will get 3 5 and then 2 and then 0. So do you know how to multiply any number by 11? I'll explain you this small trick also. So let's say if you would like to multiply any number by 11, simply you just copy this unit digit. So what is the unit digit? 3, and the subsequent digits we just keep on adding. So 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And then copy this first digit, so 2. So this is your answer. Take another example. Let's say you would like to multiply 1 2 3 4 and then multiply by 11. So first copy this unit digit 4, add 4 3 is 7, and then add 3 2 which is 5, and then add this, so this is 3, and copy this one digit. So if you multiply 1 2 3 4 with 11, you will get this answer. Okay, so this is just a small trick that I have explained it to you. Okay, now jump into our the previous equation that we were solving here. So what is the equation that we have received after solving this? So this is the equation that we have received. Okay, so this goes here, it will remain with x, this will x. Just simplify this. X to the power 5 plus 1 by x, and then we will receive x here, and then we have 1 x to the power 5 and then 2 5 3 0. Now what is the value of this? This is 5, right? So further solve this equation. So x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5, and then this value is 5 and 2 5 3 0. Bring this 5 on the right hand side and you will get x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 2 5 3 0 minus 5, and the final answer will get 2 5 2 5. So what is the value that we have received here? X to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 is equal to 2 5 2 5. So this is our final answer. Now tell me, if this is the question is in the competitive exam, it will take a lot of time, right? You need to first solve this, and then you need to first solve this, and then multiply, and then you'll get this answer. Okay, so finally I'll explain you the trick where you can save a lot of time here. So I'll tell you the final trick here. So If this is given, okay, and in exam if it's asking x square plus 1 by x square, okay, so assume here x plus 1 by x is equal to a, okay, it could be anything, 5, 8, 10, whatever. In competitive exam they can give anything. So let's see, if you would like to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square, then simply what you need to do, just square a square and then minus 2, okay. If you have to solve this x cube plus 1 by x cube, then you have a formula a cube minus 3a. If in competitive exam if it's asking x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5, then simply you have a formula a square minus 2 and then in bracket a cube minus 3a, and then you subtract a. So these are the final formulas that you need to remember for the competitive exam if you would like to solve this question. So also solve this and check whether these formulas are correct or not. So a is here 5, so 5 square is how much, 25 minus 2, which is 23. Here 125 minus 3 multiplied by 1, you'll get 110. Okay, so this is also correct, this is also correct. Now the final, so 25 minus 2, here 125 minus 15 and then 5, okay, so you'll get 23 multiplied by 110 then 5. So you have already solved this, so you'll get 2530 minus 5, the final answer is 2525. Okay, so just remember these three formulas. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.